Introducing the 2019 Audi Q3 35 TDI 150 STS Line 4. Door AU in sleek gray. This top-of-the-line Estatejeep is loaded with luxurious features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, cruise control, and more. The safety and security features are unmatched with ABS, lane departure warning, and anti-collision system. Plus, the stylish design includes a chrome package, roof rails, and spoiler. With a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit audikerry.ie today for more information. Drive in style.